Hello, I'm Jordan from J. Hennessy Design and J. Hennessy Studio, and today we are going to be going over how to add Elementor and the Elementor Hello theme to a WordPress website. If you are here from my Etsy shop and you bought a template, hello and welcome. If you are here from YouTube, hello, thanks for joining my channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos on how to use Elementor in WordPress and other web development stuff. So let's get started. I have a new WordPress install set up. I have logged in. If you are not logged in, you can go to the URL /wp-admin to go to the login page and get into the back end of WordPress. So this is your WordPress dashboard. From here, we're going to go to plugins. And then we're going to go to add new. And we are going to search for Elementor. Click install now. And activate. So now we have Elementor installed. If you also want to install Elementor Pro, that is a paid subscription, you will go to Elementor's website, which you can do right here, and sign up for their Pro license. And that will give you a download. And then to add that, you would go to add new, upload plugin, and you would just upload the file right here. And then click install and activate on that as well. But for my themes, they're all the free version of Elementor, so you will not need to do that. Now that we have Elementor installed, we are going to go to Appearance and then go to Themes. And you can see it automatically added the 2021 theme. We want the Hello Elementor, so we're going to add new. And we're going to, we don't even have search for it. If you do need a search for it, just type in Hello Elementor. It's showing up right here for me, so I'm not going to do that. Click install and activate. So now you can go up here to your site title and go to visit site. You should see your own site name and your site tag here. And we have our default Hello World blog on here. For my templates, we're going to delete these blogs right now. If you want to keep the blog up, you can, but I'll show you how to delete those. So we're going to go back to where it has your site title, and you're going to go to dashboard. And we are going to go to posts. And this hello world, we're just going to trash that. And then now we're going to go to pages, and we're going to trash the sample page. We're also going to trash the privacy policy. And then we're going to add a new page. And this is going to be our home page that we're going to add the template on. I'm going to title it Rose Wedding Template, because that is the name of my template in the site. I'm going to hit publish. So now that you have added your page, we're going to click on the W, and we're going to go to templates underneath Elementor. Click import templates, choose file, find the folder where your template is downloaded to. This is mine right here. We're going to upload, import now, and this is our template. So now we're going to go back to pages. Here's our page, Rose Wedding Template. Click edit, and then edit with Elementor. And now we are in the Elementor Page Builder. We're going to click on the folder go to My Templates, and we see the Rose Wedding template, and we're going to click Insert. Yes, we want it to import the document settings. And here is our template. All right, and then to get rid of this stuff, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to hide the title. And then update that. And then we need to get rid of the footer and the header on here, if you want to. I'm going to show you how to do that too. Okay, and then to edit the header and footer, we're going to edit with Elementor, Site Settings. And then from here you can add global colors, global fonts. What we want to do is the header. All right, and then we're just going to hide all of this. So we're going to hide the site logo, hide the tagline, and hide the menu. And you can see the header is now hidden. We're going to go back, go to footer, and we're going to hide everything again. We're going to update. And exit. And that brings us back to the Elementor site builder for the page. And then we're going to go to View Page. And here is the page that we just created with the template. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I will be uploading a video on how to edit the theme that you purchased from Etsy. If you're interested in purchasing any of my themes, I will link that down in the description below, as well as all of my social media if you'd like to follow and stay up to date on new products that I release on Etsy. And thank you so much. Have a great day.